Your thoughts, your memories, yourself. What if it's all just software and someone else is about to get admin rights? Sup, freaks? Paul Daniel, your awkward software engineer, and this is NeonFreak Byte, where we tackle the topics that shake your reality. Because honestly, if someone is about to get admin rights to my brain, I want to have a say in the password strength. Today, are brain chips unlocking godlike intelligence or turning us all into remote-controlled puppets? You're in the right place if that intrigues you, so if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe, all right? Let's get weird and bite this. Brain-computer interfaces. For years, they've been the stuff of cyberpunk dreams and medical miracles. Chips implanted in the brain that allow direct communication between your thoughts and external devices. And let's be clear, the progress to date is already astounding, moving beyond pure research into tangible, life-altering applications. We're seeing paralyzed individuals regaining movement in robotic limbs, or communicating complex thoughts, literally mind to text, all thanks to these neural implants. Companies like Neuralink, Synchron, and others are pushing the boundaries, with clinical trials showing incredible promise for conditions like ALS, Parkinson's, and spinal cord injuries. The excitement here is palpable. I mean, imagine your loved one trapped by their own body, suddenly given a voice or the ability to interact with the world again. That's a profound, positive reality shake. And the medical applications are just the tip of the iceberg. The next step, already being explored, is cognitive augmentation for healthy individuals. Think about it. Chips designed to enhance focus, boost memory recall to perfect levels, or even accelerate learning. I mean, imagine downloading a new skill set, a new language, a complex technical manual directly into your neural pathways. How would your life change if you could learn anything instantly, or remember every detail of every experience? If you want to. The potential for personal growth, for unlocking human creativity, and problem solving on an unprecedented scale is intoxicating. You could become a super learner, a master of any craft, your mind operating at peak efficiency. That's the superhuman promise. Some brain-computer interfaces are even exploring direct brain-to-brain communication. Early experiments are rudimentary, but project that forward. Could we one day share thoughts, emotions, complex ideas directly without the need for clumsy language? Imagine the depth of connection or potential for empathy, or the sheer terror of having no private thoughts. And what about entirely new senses? We could theoretically translate data from exotic sensors like infrared, magnetic fields, radiation directly into neural signals your brain learns to interpret. You could see Wi-Fi, feel the Earth's magnetic field. The possibilities for expanding human perception are truly mind-bending. But this is NeonFreak Byte, and with every godlike power comes a Pandora's box of horrors. This is where the puppet part of the equation snaps into focus. If your brain is connected to a network, what's stopping someone, something, from hacking it? Mind control isn't science fiction anymore. Forget hacking your computer. Imagine someone hacking your brain. Controlling your actions, implanting false memories, maybe even shutting you down remotely. With brain-computer interfaces, that nightmare is terrifyingly close to reality. This is brainjacking, the ultimate violation of personal autonomy. And it doesn't have to be a malicious hacker. What about the corporations developing these chips? They'll have unprecedented access to your neural data, your thoughts, emotions, memories. Who owns that data? Think your thoughts are private? A brain-computer interface could broadcast your every whim, every secret to the highest bidder. Your mind, for sale. That's the future of this technology if we're not careful. Targeted advertising based on your subconscious desires is just the beginning. Imagine insurance companies adjusting your premiums based on your neurological risk profile for certain behaviors, or employers monitoring your focus and emotional state. Your innermost self becomes a commodity. And the risk goes deeper than just surveillance. It's about personality alteration. If these chips can enhance cognitive function, can they also suppress or amplify certain emotions or personality traits? Could an interface designed to treat depression inadvertently dull your creativity or capacity for joy? Could a government mandate brain chips that subtly promote compliance or quell dissent? The you that exists pre-chip might not be the same you that exists post-chip, and you might not even realize what's been lost or changed. Free will itself becomes a very blurry concept when an artificial intelligence is interpreting the data stream from your mind, potentially filtering or shaping your perception of reality for your own good. The societal implications are also massive. Imagine a world divided. The chipped superhumans with godlike focus and instant knowledge, and the obsolete naturals. Which side would you even be allowed to choose? And if you do get the chip, superintelligence might be the promise, but what if the ultimate price for becoming superhuman is losing your essential humanity? Would you make that trade? Forget learning a language. Imagine downloading it like an app directly into your brain via a brain-computer interface. Fluency in minutes. Sounds amazing, right? But what if a bug in the language pack corrupts your native tongue or subtly alters your cultural understanding? Would you risk your core identity for instant knowledge? Brain-computer interfaces could revolutionize mental health, offering targeted neurostimulation to treat depression or anxiety. But who defines normal brain activity? Could these tools be used to enforce neurotypicality, suppressing creative divergence or nonconformist thought patterns deemed disorders by an algorithm or societal pressure? What's the line between therapy and thought control? Imagine a future where direct brain-to-brain communication via brain-computer interfaces is common. You could share raw emotions, complex concepts instantly. But what happens to privacy? What if you can't stop others from hearing your thoughts, or you from hearing theirs? Could it lead to unprecedented empathy, or a new kind of mental surveillance and social pressure? Could brain-computer interfaces create a hive mind scenario? If enough brains are networked, could individual consciousnesses begin to merge or be influenced by a cognitive intelligence, whether human or artificial driven? Is that the next step in evolution, or the end of the individual as we know it? What if you unknowingly become just a node in a larger network? So yeah, brain chips, unlocking human potential beyond our wildest dreams, or creating the ultimate tools for brain control and manipulation. It's pretty freaky. Would you get a brain chip for a massive cognitive boost if it meant a 10% chance of someone else influencing your thoughts? Tell me in the comments. I promise I'll respond to as many of you as I can. Want more Neon? More of me? Please hit like and subscribe to the channel. I need you. Yes, you. Please come join me in the Freak Show. Next time, we're taking a bite out of simulation theory. Yeah. So, brace yourself, stay curious, and always remember, you're a fucking freak. And in my mind, that's the best thing you can be.